guys read the title, so you already know what's about to happen. Let's get it.
Alright. They a little hot, you know what I'm saying? They kind of put everything else at the top or whatever. Yup. Whenever I'm around you. Babe, you want a lot of meat?
Yep.
Yup. Alright then, cuz. Say no more, cuz. Dang. Alright, there we go. You know what you do to me. Why you know what you do to me. It's still smoky back there, babe?
Nah, it's not.
Huh?
Nope.
You say yeah?
No, it's not.
Oh. Whenever I'm around you. I really want to put all 6 of them in this one plate because they keep freaking falling over and that's so irritating. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't be liking that. I can put a little more meat on this one right here. You know what I'm saying? Cause that ain't enough meat for my baby. Girl, don't be stingy with your little meat. You better feed your man. Alright. Damn! Sour cream. There's not a lot of sour cream, babe, so you only gonna get like a little dip. A little dollop. Like that.
Okay.
You finna watch a movie or something?
Oh, something on YouTube. Something on YouTube.
You gonna watch something on YouTube?
Yeah.
Dang, dollar video's almost done too. You get what you get, honey. Alright, babe. Yours finished. I gotta make mine.
Cool, cool.
Dang. Alright. Oh, dang. Sour cream. Here I come, babes. Alright. What you want to drink?
Lemon water.
God damn it, babe. Really?
Or just regular water for now.
Cause I'm trying to eat. You know I got a freaking headache. Here.
Oh, snap.
Gonna make my plate, boy.
Bitch, where my hot sauce at?
Who you talking to?
I'm missing some hot sauce.
I put sauce on there. I put the fire sauce on there. Who you talking to like that?
My bad. It's, you know, I'm just, you know I don't play with my hot sauce. So.
But you talking to me? Or you talking to the air? Because you can't be talking to me like that.
I mean, we the only ones in the house, so.
You got me fucked up. If you think you gonna talk to me like that, you ain't gonna talk to me like that. Do I look like a bitch?
What a bitch look like?
A fucking female dog. That's what a bitch look like. Do I roof?
I mean,
Do I bark?
I don't know if a Jamaican bitch is the same thing as an American bitch.
A bitch is a bitch.
Alright, you got your feelings, dang.
Get out my feelings. Really? So you really just gonna call me a bitch? You gonna call your wife a bitch?
Yeah.
I will come over there and fuck yo. Stop playing with me. And you think that's so funny?
You tripping. It's just a word, babe. It's just a word. That's it.
Call me a bitch. No, call me a bitch.
Relax.
Call me a bitch.
Relax.
Call me a bitch. Say it again.
I already said it.
Say it again.
I said it one time.
Say it again. Say it again.
Watch out, man.
Say it again.
Watch out.
Say it again, no?
Watch out.
If you're bad, say it again. Me a what?
I said it already.
Talking like good ears. But me never hear good. Talking like good ears. What you say me a what? Say it
Hey,
again.
I'm trying to eat my meal. Can I eat, please?
No, you're not eating nothing. No, repeat what you say. What you call me? If you're bad, say it again.
Say what again?
Call me a bitch again.
Call you a bitch?
Why you play with me?
I was asked. That was a question. That was a
You don't take
question.
call me look a while.
What?
You don't just call me a bitch.
Babe, what you talking about?
You don't just call me a bitch.
Go, man.
Call me. Say it again.
Say what again? Say what again?
Me look like me a laugh? Me not laughing.
Say what again? You really gonna try to fight me?
You have one more time.
You
One
really
more
gonna,
time.
You really gonna put your hands on me in front of my
Call,
food?
yeah, call me a bitch
In front
again.
of my
I see.
food? I didn't call you a bitch.
You see? You think you're funny?
Alright, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so
You think
sorry.
you're funny?
Stop
Move.
playing my name. Why
Call
you
me a
play so
bitch
much?
again.
I did it.
What?
I did not call you a bitch.
When I carry the food come here, where you say, bitch, what my hot sauce at? Do I look like a fucking bitch? I'll fuck your ass up.
I did not call
So what you say?
you a bitch.
What you say?
Alright, okay.
You said, you think you,
Okay.
what?
The camera on. Look, the camera on. I was just playing with you, Dave.
Don't play with me.
Oh, rat yourself.
You're too bright. Boy, I call me bitch.
Hey. I almost messed up my chain. So y'all see what I'm doing for y'all? Y'all see this crap? Now come and apologize, try to fight me.
But I apologize for nothing. Call put me out, call bitch.
I'm sorry. It was just a joke. It was just a little prank. Alright y'all, here she go. It's not nice to call your wife or any other female the B word, alright?
Him life name not scratch him. I would almost have a joke. Jessie can't
Y'all
call
see
me a
how
bitch.
abusive she is? She abusive. Y'all see that?
That not abusive.
Y'all see that?
You're too bright. I what you say?
I ain't say nothing, babe. You know I love you.
Move.
You kiss.
What you say?
You kiss. I ain't say nothing. Alright, let me hug. Alright guys, it's never cool to call a female a B word. We're just doing this just for the, just for entertainment purposes. So you guys stay smooth. Have a blessed one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, and like. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more, you guys.
Bombard. BMs.
What happened?
My fuck something drop over.